Hi guys, welcome. First thing we're gonna start with is actually the kitchen. I love the kitchen because of the gray cabinets and the silver handles. I really love how modern it looks. Everything that's in here is pretty, cool. Got the little retro teapot because I mean you got to keep it funky in this house. It does have a pantry which is stocked with food because I cook, and my pantry just is like a regular pantry. And then I love the backsplash. This was my favorite part of this apartment, was the backsplash. And then this. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Look at that. It's so convenient because I do, like I said, I cook a lot and I need my, everything making sense. Everything gotta make sense, okay? Now moving to the living room. Me and Roland, if you watch my vlog, you need to. But me and Roland actually got this couch. It was still ended up paying $800 for every single thing, but the couch is so huge and comfortable. The price plus the shipping, and then we got them to assemble it because I wasn't about to be touching nothing. And the pillows came with it. Now, the favorite spot, I love this little work area. This is where me and Roland get things done, and you guys know hard work pays off. That is the motto. This is business center. This is where we get shit shaking. You know what I'm saying? Got all the camera equipment out and everything. We have the MacBook. I use this whenever I'm recording. We don't really use that for editing or anything. This is more so like a viewfinder than the iPad. Then we have our Mac setup, and this chair, actually, we got this chair from IKEA. It's like pure lambskin, so it is so soft on the booty. Like, I really, really like this chair. We try to keep it clean, but white is really hard to clean like that little thing. But I'm not gonna show you guys that. This is like my little rail. Like whenever I do my makeup, I put my face on camera. I gotta pull this up and just sit right here. It's easier for me because, you guys, this place is a vibe every single day. Monday to Friday, people are working, so it's like, why aren't I working? If they get up every day to work, you gotta hustle, gotta get your money. And then our little French table. Just me and Roland. Ain't no kids, ain't no nothing. You know what I'm saying? So we got this little cute chair and table from Amazon, actually. And then we put a plant from Home Goods there. Before I take you guys to this room, Roland gave me creative direction. Let me do whatever I wanted in this room for the first time, since we moved. But this room is a vibe. Like, I want you to feel like you're in Bali. I want you to feel like you're on a vacation. I want you to feel like you're in the Airbnb. So before we walk in there, get yourself together, get zhuzhed up, and let's see what to do. Welcome to my room. I love this room. Lucky for me, my mom was traveling and she saw some wallpapers, so she cut that for me. So I was able to get like 2 rolls, and it was hard, but it was definitely like also like a learning lesson type of thing. Like, I don't think it's that hard that you can do it, but Honestly, it's a vibe. And then when I was thinking about the wall, I wanted it to be gold. I wanted this room to be very serene and peaceful and earthy and just something that cannot be stolen or replicated. Because I thought of this idea from my head. I created this idea of how I wanted my room to be. So I bought this on Wayfair, very inexpensive. And then Lil got me a little bed, y'all. My back loves it. Me and Roland be knocked out on that bed because honestly, I got these sheets from Home Goods. It's Tommy Bahama, and I love this because it just looked very earthy, but it didn't I didn't want it to contrast too hard with the wall. I kind of wanted everything to vibe. This mirror I got from Home Goods, and it's in the vlog. We did the whole zhuzh, but this mirror was perfect because I didn't want the mirror to have anything around it. I kind of just wanted it to be just straight up mirror. So it matches the room a lot, and it's not gold, so it's not like I'm doing too much. I wasn't trying to do too much. I was trying to be, little level headed, simple, you know what I'm saying, calm. This rug, actually yesterday, it's an animal print. So it kind of goes with the earthy vibe, earth. Look at that. Yes. The next thing I got is this chair. I absolutely love this chair. I got this from Target. It was on sale, and I really love this chair. You can spin around in it, get comfortable. I don't think I sit on here a lot, but when I need to, I just get in there and relax. I just be chilling. Buddha means peace. Peace in this home, peace in this house. I really like the color too. It's almost like everything just kind of belonged in this room because everything just kind of contrasts well with it. I'll show you guys the wall. Everything just kind of contrasts very well with it. I really love this area. I was looking for things to fit in here, but I was just it looks perfect. Altogether, I don't want to do too much. This little area. Also got this from Ross. Most of the paintings we got from Ross. So got this little earthy elephant. Got this lamp from Home Goods. And this clock's from IKEA. And the drawer is from IKEA also. And then a little vaporizer. So we sleep real nice. This is the bathroom. We have Frida over here. I love her. I love the creativity. I love the art in it, and I wanted it to represent something in my house because I'm very creative and Roland's creative too. So it's kind of cool. It's only right that we have her, you know what I'm saying, smoking a joint and drinking the tea, minding her business. My favorite part of the bathroom is the backsplash of the wall. I love that it has a little resting place where you can sit. Sorry that it doesn't look like them classy, Instagrammer. I'm a human being. I'm as real as they come, and this is what, this is how the shower. I ain't gonna do too much. We ain't gonna spruce too much, but you know what I'm saying. It's a shower, so you shower in it. Ashley Devana posted this about a filter shower, and I know she used to be at Connect before, and I know that sometimes your water can be too hard. And, it made sense. When she bought it, she's dropped the link. I was like, I'm buying this before, people start buying it. Because, listen, influencers, they influence, okay? So that shower head is really bomb because it feels like a rainforest. So we just swapped that out and took the old shower head and put it somewhere else. But it does have a filter. And the shower this morning was freaking amazing. So come on, let's go. It's time for you guys to go. Thank you so much. Come on. Y'all gotta leave, but y'all gotta get the hell up out of here. Okay, come on. Okay. Make sure you have a great one. I will text you. I'll see you later. Well, it's time to go. Come with me. Okay. Thank you.